Hey everybody, how's it going? Now before let me just say this real quick. This is not a car that came into the yard, because half the cars that are in that yard are Japanese cars. This is actually my dad's truck. Somebody requested me to do a video on it, so I'm gonna make a video on it. This is a 2000 Ford F350 Powerstroke Lariat turbo diesel with a 7.3 in it, the best kind of engine, 4x4. It has special custom made elite leather seats, which is under here because bottom sections are torn apart. So got the keys, aftermarket alarm. This truck has had an aftermarket alarm since we had it, so let's start it up and let it run. We got this truck back in 2006. It had 83,000 miles on it because the thing was in Pines Boulevard up north. And my dad's given it already 145,000 miles on it. Wait to start, which I love about these trucks. It came with that little wait to start light. Fires up. No leather wrapped steering wheel for some reason. Has an automatic transmission. 4-speed. Yeah, 4-speed. The 4-wheel drive's there, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna demonstrate it because the lock hubs are on. Cut on the headlights, hazards. This one has had a few problems in it. And we're gonna see. We're gonna check out the exterior. Let you crank on the air conditioning while that. Hurry up because it's gonna start raining. So factory running board, extendable mirrors, back doors don't lock. And let me actually tell you this, all the issue here, this wheel gave out and the tire raked it right there, bruh. And someone hit the truck in the yard there. Scratch all that up. The toolbox on it. Little bit of rust, which this truck has had an issue mostly on the bed. Let me show you the engine right on quick. Now this is the part I love about this truck. Nicest sounding engine, very reliable. Has a 7.3 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel V8. One of the best built engines International ever made, because it's not a Ford engine. International 7.3. And a little piece there. It's supposed to go there. It says your Powerstroke. And a bolt fell off, and the plastic thing came off, and it was running on top of the alternator belt. Even though this truck has power seats, you see the factory leather seats it came with, Designs West Inc. We have this on it. It's working good. On my side, his side, my dad is a big person, so all 4 windows still work in this truck. We're gonna hear how it sounds. 1 o'clock already. Wow, gotta get to my buddy's house. If you really want to see smoke, this truck does smoke. It does smoke. No chip or anything, and this truck is really fast. Alright, has freezing air conditioning. Turn off the lights here. It only came with automatic lights. Cruise control, wipers. This part of the wiper through here doesn't catch, and so the water stays there, which I gotta fix. I gotta get rid of this screen. Dedicated by Elite. Dedicated by Elite. My four-wheel drive's there and everything. I'm not gonna do it because it's broken. Change. We have a bunch of things in there. I gotta clean it out. Oh, I found this a few weeks ago. A factory Acura music selection system and a cassette deck, which I've had that for months already. So, handbrake would sometimes turn on. Alright. Show the rest of the truck here. And that door never closes properly. I'll say this, if any of you are wondering, this truck was smoked in before. My dad used to smoke, but he quit it years ago. And I found that in the yard itself, this was next to a Ford Econoline, but had all rubber flooring, and I asked the owner's father, could I keep it? And he said, yeah. I wanted to put it there where the transmission humps at, but my dad wanted it in the back. Also has HID lights, which I might one day put the front headlights HID too. Also came with this factory stepper helper in case you do have a toolbox, which we do. I'll tell you this, when the first owner used to be a retired fireman, I had to clean the entire flatbed the other day. Had to clean it. This truck has an auxiliary tank on it. We barely use it. Last time we used it for long trips. This truck came from World Ford. Here's the owner's manual. Let me just open it here real quick. Finally getting to making a video of my dad's truck. World Ford. We bought it in Gus Machero. The truck was originally from there, and then my dad traded his 1990 something Ford. Oh, I found this at a junkyard. It's about to be 8 months I found it. Same, he traded his blue quad cab or something like that. That like half a door opens. 98 or 99 F350 like this, same thing. His came with high mileage. He had nearly 278,000 miles on it. And he somehow, like an idiot, replaced it. Oh, it has more space, this one. I don't care. Oh yeah, this is the thing I hate about this truck. Doors locks. Alright. Alright, just like Bill O'Reilly. Alright. South Park. Excuse me, do you have any Grey Poupon? I love doing that. Uh-oh. Got that part of the window wet. Just get up on there. One day I am going to take off the locking hubs and I want to go off-roading in this monster and take some ladies with me. I know a few of you ladies will enjoy a 7.3 Powerstroke. International built. I know you ladies will. I don't know why, but when my dad's driving, he bitches. Only thing he bitches is that the truck makes a when he's braking. But when I'm driving it and when I'm braking, it doesn't do none of that. Honest to God.
Evolution 935 Miami, commercial free.
And we're gonna do it again with the windows up. If only you could see how much smoke this thing peels out with. I think I could do it. Hold on, let me try it out, actually. So you can see how much smoke this thing eases out with. We're gonna put you on top of this Honda. Ford works. And that's how a Ford works. Well, folks, I'll tell you this, that truck doesn't even ease smoke up, to be honest with you. Well, folks, I almost fell. That's what happened to me a few weeks ago. I fell. Filled with water. Take care, guys.